Okay guys, let's focus on this USD chip setup here, and then we're just going to focus on this current market structure here. And as you can see here, we had this higher high, higher low, higher high here, then we had a lower low, lower high, followed by a lower low. Right there we are going to look for selling opportunities, and the ideal area to look for selling opportunities should be around this point here. So we're just going to refine this area here on the 4-hour time frame, as I like using the 4-hour guys. And if you're new to this channel, click the like button and subscribe. My name is Bradley Mudawang. I do content based on forex, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy watching the videos that I drop on this channel here. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can obviously see that this is the market structure that we were mapping out on the highest time frame, of which is the daily, and this is the break of structure that I was talking about, of which is around here, BOS. And after having that break of structure, we were expecting the market to take out this high here, of which the market failed to do that, and then decided to give us a change of character, which it's this one here. So those are the things that I was talking about. And then as you can see here, this high here acted as an inducement or IDM here, of which this takes a lot of traders out, just because you get in early here, trying to short around here, trying to short around this point, of which the market will be reaching the highest point. That is why I prefer using a confirmation entries on the lower time frame. It's either the 15 or the 1 minute, it depends on you guys, but like, make sure that you're using your confirmation entries guys, and I'll show you if you don't know how to use them. Stick around guys, stick around. So as you can see here, this is the area of supply that I was talking about. This is the break of structure around this point here, just like that. So we already know that we are looking for selling opportunities, but like, as to where are we going to sell, that remains a mystery to us. We just have to wait for the market to give us an area of interest or something that shows that the market will sell soon enough guys. So let's look at the 1 hour. So as you can see on the hour time frame, the market is still at this area here, of which what you can do is look at the internal market structure here, and this is some type of liquidity. As you can see, from this point to that point, you can just use that as liquidity. And around here, we're just gonna trade the internal structure. As you can see here, we have this low, higher high, higher low, and it seems like this is your higher high, higher low, and we expect a high here, of which sometimes you can just look for buying opportunities guys, or some internal trades here. As you can see here, internal structure trades. This is the break of structure, this is also the break of structure. We still need to determine the highest point, so that maybe we can enter around here. This is the sell to buy candle here. It's big, but like, as you all know, we just have to cater for everything so that we don't get in wrong trades guys. So I'll be waiting for this type of setup to happen when the markets open, so around here, then maybe we could buy into this area of supply. Then we can start looking to short this trade up until this point here. So that is the analysis that I have on USDCHF, and drop a comment of what you think about like this current setup here that we have on USDCHF. If it looks good, then drop a comment saying good. If it's bad, drop a comment saying that it's bad, and state your reason. And everyone must state their reasons guys. If it's good, state your reason. If it's bad, state your reason. Let's make trading fun again guys.